Bonjour! Today I'll show you how to make this 3D letter on Procreate. With this tutorial, you'll learn how to easily create a 3D letter by duplicating your initial shape, how to create a gradient on each side of your letter, and how to add this subtle drop shadow inside the front of your letter. You can get the color palette I use for free by clicking on the link just below this video. These are the canvas settings I'll be using for this tutorial. First, we are going to set the background color. Go to your Layers panel, tap the background color layer, then choose this light beige color. Now let's add the letter. First, choose this blue color from the color palette. Go to the Actions menu, Add, then Add Text. Then write your letter. Tap on the letter A in the middle right of your screen to access the Edit Style panel. I'm going to use the prompt font. You can download it thanks to the link below this video. Put it in black style with a fairly large size. Then tap Done. Duplicate your layer and select the top one. Tap on your top layer, then tap Edit Text. Choose this light blue color. Now tap this button to create the outline. Select all your letters in the Layers panel by dragging them from left to right. Tap the transformation tool icon and make them in the size you want. Now tap and hold with two fingers the layer with your letter. Select the layer with the outline. Tap and hold the selection tool and tap Invert at the bottom of your screen. Drag 3 fingers on your canvas. It opens the Copy-Paste menu. If you want to learn more about the Copy-Paste menu, I invite you to watch this video. Tap Cut and now you have a thinner outline. Let's create the 3D effect. Grab all your layers and tap the transformation tool icon. Tap the distort method. Then grab this node and move it up. Duplicate this layer. Tap the transformation tool icon and put magnetics on. Move it towards the top left by following this blue line and remember the degree move. For example, for me it is 135 degrees. Select this blue color from the color palette and drop it on your letter. Then repeat this process 3 times. Duplicate this layer and select the bottom one. Move it towards the top left by following this blue line in the same degree move. Then drag this blue color inside your letter. Now select this layer, grab the selection tool in freehand mode with color fill on, pick the color, then connect the edges between these two letters. Repeat this process 3 times, select this layer, tap the selection tool, pick the color, then connect the edges between the two letters. If you can't see the edges between two letters, hide the layers above them. Now let's add gradients. Merge all these layers by pinching them together. Create a new layer above, tap on it, and tap Clipping Mask. If you want to learn more about Clipping Mask, I invite you to watch this video. Tap the letter N next to this layer and put the Overlay Blend mode. Tap the selection tool icon and turn off color fill. Select the top sides of your letter. Then with the white color and the soft brush, use your brush lightly on the left parts. Tap invert at the bottom and now use a black color at the bottom of those sides. Select this side. Use your brush also on the bottom part. Tap invert and use the soft brush at the left part. Now tap this layer and duplicate it. We will use this one later. Tap this one and tap Alpha Lock. If you want to learn more about Alpha Lock, I invite you to watch this video. Select this color and use it slightly at the bottom right part of your letter. Tap this layer, put Alpha Lock, select this color and use your soft brush lightly at the top left. Now let's add the subtle drop shadow. Tap on this layer and tap Clipping Mask. Tap the Adjustments menu icon and select Hue, Saturation and Brightness. Then put Brightness to none. Tap the Transformation tool icon. Move your layer slightly towards the bottom left. Tap the Adjustments menu icon and tap Gaussian Blur, then add a slight blur effect. Tap on your layer with 2 fingers, then slide to the left to lower the opacity. For the finishing touches, merge all your layers together. Tap the Transformation tool icon, make sure snapping is on, and put your letter in the center of your canvas. Create a new layer on top. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu, tap Sharpen, slide to adjust to 100%. Go to the Adjustments menu again, tap Chromatic Aberration, slide to adjust to around 3%. Go back to the Adjustments menu one last time. Tap Noise and slide to adjust to 10%. Et voilà! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials in Procreate. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you'd probably enjoy learning how to make this artwork. This will be part of my upcoming online course, where I'll show you my complete creative process, from sketching to final lettering. If you are interested, you can sign up thanks to the link just below this video. So until the next one, bonsoir!